हाय, मैं हूँ प्रमोद चतुर्वेदी और मेरे साथ है मिस्टर श्रेयस राव। जैसे कि पिछले वीडियो में आपने देखा, हायरॉक्स मुंबई जो फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे लिए एक हिस्ट्री की तरह आया और सबके ऊपर एक प्रेजेंट छोड़ के चला गया, क्योंकि आने वाले एक नए टाइम ट्रायल के लिए जहाँ पे हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं TMC मुंब्रा स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में। तो ओवर टू यू श्रेयस, हम यहाँ पे क्या क्या कर रहे हैं और क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Okay, so we had 3 days Hyrox boot camp. This is my second boot camp. 3 days boot camp. The camp is all about to give an experience to people what Hyrox is all about, how it is going to be. So in 3 days we have 5 sessions where we do 2 track sessions, 1 hill session, and 2 Hyrox simulation session. In the end of the boot camp, that's today, third day, we do a time trial where we give them the whole Hyrox course, how it has to be, where people go through all 8 kilometers of run and 8 component works. So that's what happened today. We had around like 25 participants from different part of the state do the time trial. So time trial basically helps them to understand where they stand after months of training.
Now, as per the previous video also, and the Mumbai में जो हमारे पास Hyrox हुआ था, people really urged to start their journey as a part of Hyrox athlete. People already been a CrossFit athlete. Me coming from the powerlifting background, bodybuilding and CrossFit world. यहाँ पे if suppose I am a beginner and if I want to be part of Hyrox world and be completely given my time to this new journey.
But the major part of the training that I impose into my athletes is basically I structure their workout very very in depth. I start with 80-20 rules for them. Basically, as you said, people are coming from like bodybuilding background or weightlifting background or from a background where they just do gym. I work on their 80-20 rule where 80% I start with their weaknesses and 20% I keep them on their strength. So accordingly, I make a 12-week structured program for them where they start with 80-20, slowly they get to 70-30, 60-40 and 50-50. Once they get into 50-50 part where they are fit in 50 with aerobics and 50 with strength, they start doing simulation. Again, simulation, we have quarter, half and full simulation. So that's how they build for a Hyrox work.
People who are doubting about themselves or who are keen to know about more how Hyrox works, what are the strategy, periodization and every detail from low to high, what you can do, you can follow our page, you can follow us and the coming Hyrox India page where you can just go vouch for it, practice by your own where you need to know in depth, and then we both are here in front of you and help you to understand. Be one of those criteria, the pro players where you can just show your talent. That's for today, and we are coming to you soon as we coming with the new boot camp, and stay tuned. Thank you so much.